Welcome to the in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So to do that, let's first launch the phone application and then tap on these three dots. After that, click to check out the intercepted phone, and here click on the settings icon. Then you'll see here the numbers in blacklist section. Tap here once, and just for example to remove one from these numbers, hold for a while the number and you can select them together if you want, or you can choose only one and then click here to remove from blacklist. After that, confirm your action by click here to remove, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.